Our full zero waste recipe, made with 95 grams of unhulled black sesame seeds, provides approximately 1,000 milligrams of calcium from all the ingredients combined. That's more than 100% of the UK daily reference intake for calcium when both the milk and the pulp spread are consumed. Calcium is needed for the maintenance of normal bones, while sesame seeds also provide magnesium, iron, copper, and other important minerals. You can also make this recipe with white sesame seeds.